So don't you forget.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, I go by Dollfacedee. Welcome to my channel. Girl, do you see this beat? I know you want this beat. You need to be subscribed to my channel. You do not want to miss the videos that I have coming next. I am coming full force. I am not playing with these people. Period. Today we are going to be doing a full coverage makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, I am beat, honey. Yes, always on beat. If you guys want to redo this look or you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be priming my face under my eyes. I apologize, you guys, if you can hear my background. I'm filming in front of my window, so it can be a bit loud, but you know, just focus on me. I've been doing my brows a bit different, and I bought a new eyebrow pencil. This is by Sephora. It's in the color, let's see, what color is this? Oh my god, I feel like, hello, where's the color? Number or anything. Okay, so I don't see the color or anything on here. It just says Sephora, and this is their brow pencil. So this is the pencil on one end and then the brush is on the other end. But before I do that, I'm gonna like wax my brows up because I've been really like feeling this look. Actually, I also bought this brow mascara by Sephora because I don't like my brows like too dark. I like them to be a little bit, ooh, girl, what are you doing? Okay, so I like to like, I'll fix that later. I don't know if you guys can see the mark that I made, but I don't like them to be too dark. Oh girl, I am really messing up right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, my brows is kind of changing like colors because I don't like them too dark or black. Like I like it just like this, like tinted, like a light brown basically. The next one, I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyes because I feel like this is just how I feel. Okay, before you do your full face, you always want to do your eyes or your brows first, whatever, before you do your foundation. Okay, because you have a lot of fallout. If something just doesn't go right on the eyes, you can easily just wipe it away without having a full face on and fixing your full face. You feel what I'm saying? First thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. Okay, so I'm using my P. Louise number 2. And I like a lot of primer so my color can show. Oh my god, I think I put too much. You see what I'm saying? Put too much eyeshadow primer on my eyes. I'm taking my James Charles palette. We're going to go into this color called Boutique. So you can see I have the color down, and I mean, it's really pretty. I like how it looks, but I'm gonna add the black at the end just to like smoke this look out, because I feel like this is like something different that I've never done before. I've been so used to using like just one color on my lids, like, because I don't know, I haven't really been feeling like I've been doing any looks like that lately, which I'm kind of sad about because I feel like when I haven't did it in a long time, I forget how to. So I need to like keep the looks coming, sis, because I don't ever want to forget how to put on makeup, honey. So as you guys can see, I'm just like smoking this out. You want to just keep going back and forth, adding your color, and you know, I added a little twinkle to the inner corner of my eyes. It just gave this look a little pop that it needed. And then you know, I just go back and forth, just making sure it's blended well. So now I'm not finished with my eyes yet. I need my brow bone to pop a little bit. I'm just gonna go in with my NC42 concealer, and I'm just gonna add this under my brow bone. And this usually gives my look like a more like, you know, like a little bit more. So this is what I usually do. And see how this brow looks lifted, and then this one is just like kind of sleeping flat, dead. So we're just gonna, you know, wake her up. And this concealer that I'm using is NC42, my favorite. Sometimes I like to go back in and just add a little more, just to like make it a little bit more brighter. I'm going to be taking my Dragon liner, and I'm just going to be going in the waterline of my eyes. I usually like to use a sponge to pull down my lid and to apply my liner. Ooh, looks good. And I love this Dragon liner because it's so like creamy. It's so smooth. It just goes on so nicely. So moving on, the face. So you guys know I prepped my face already. I'm very excited to show you guys my new foundation that I've been using. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm like, I've been looking at reviews, I've been looking everywhere, and I'm like, okay, I need a new foundation. I need to something that's just gonna make me like, you know, stand out on this channel. You know, I currently picked up my Nars foundation, the color that I'm using. You shake it well before you use it. And I use like 2 pumps for like my full face because I feel like I don't need that much. And I started using this color. I got matched like before I went to Puerto Rico, and it was like a perfect match. The guy that helped me at Sephora was really good with matching my color. I really appreciated him because, you know, right now it's like, you know, a really serious time, so he couldn't really, you know, I couldn't take my mask off, and he couldn't really like go in to show me like my colors or whatever. I mean, the colors that he had available, but he did match me here, like under here, and it was perfect. So I'm wearing the Natural Radiant Nars foundation, okay? So next we're gonna be using our concealer. So I did pick up a new concealer too, y'all. I'm just doing new things. It's, you know, it's about that time, honey. I need to get rid of the old and come in with the new. So I'm using my Nars Concealer, and this is in the color Medium Dark 1. I like my concealer to be on the brighter side, you know, because I want to look woke, if you know what I mean. So this is pretty light, but I like to go over it also with my Fenty concealer. So I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer, and this is in the color 380, and I just go over it because I like these two mixed together. I like the color that comes out. So now I'm just going to wet my sponge. Oh yes, this looks so good, you guys. Oh, and so yes, I am going somewhere. I'm going to dinner tonight, so I'm just getting ready. And you guys see how smooth and creamy this looks? Like, it's just everything, like literally. I love these two concealers together. So if you are my color, pick these two up. I'm gonna bake first, okay? I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm gonna be baking for a minute because I want this look to be flawless as possible. I know this looks like a lot, but like, girl, this is a full coverage, honey. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna sit for a minute. The longer you sit, the better the results will come out. That's just how I feel with my face. Okay, so I'm gonna sit for a minute and then I'll be back. I'm gonna be contouring my face, okay? I'm gonna use the darker because I like my contour to be like dark. I'm gonna go over this with my powder, my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Just to give me that like warm undertone. Also add some blush. I'm using the Nars Orgasm blush. And then I'm going to, what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna do some mascara. Alright, so next I'm going to be adding some highlighter. So the highlighter that I'm going to be using today is going to be from Wet n Wild, and I love how this highlighter looks on my skin. So I'm just going to test it for you guys. This is really pretty, guys. So I'm going to use my new lip pencil from Sephora. Let's just see how this color comes out. I don't really too much care for this because it's like lighter. I mean, it's cute, but I feel like this is too light. That's why I always go in with the darker. So I'm just gonna go in with my KKW lip liner. I'm just gonna fill this in with this pencil. I love this. I love this dark brown on me. It's so pretty. I just added my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Sepia. And this is how the color looks. And I added my KKW my KKW lip liner pencil under that, and on top I did my Maven rose water spray. So I just did a little mist over my face. Lastly, I'll be doing my lashes, and then you guys will see the final look. All right, dolls, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my full coverage makeup tutorial. My favorite part is highlighting because it just enhances and brings out that light to your face. I absolutely adore it. It's my favorite to do. As you guys can see, I did add some lashes on. So I ordered a wig from the doula, and they gave me, you know, they give you a free pair of lashes. So that's where I got these lashes from. I used all of them, but I ordered these from Amazon, like multiple lashes. These are really, really pretty on. I don't use the same lashes like every day. I usually like waste them. But these are really pretty lashes also. But these are not the same. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up this video if you would like more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.